2-year-old boy with the sun in his eyes.
Yeah.
Fearless spirit under the blue skies. Jumped off the reef with a heart so bold, making memories worth more than gold. Splashing high in the summer sun, Kanamnam Lukee's adventure's just begun. Family laughing as the waves roll in. The ocean's a playground, let the fun begin. Sand in his toes, the salt in the air. Little explorer without a care. Diving deep where the fish all play, turning each moment into a brighter day. Splashing high in the summer sun, Kanamnam Lukee's adventure's just begun. Family laughing as the waves roll in. The ocean's a playground, let the fun begin. The reef was his castle, the beach his throne. Every splash echoed a world of his own. With laughter and love, the family swayed in the rhythm of waves. Memories stayed. Splashing high in the summer sun, Kanamnam Lukee's adventure's just begun. Family laughing as the waves roll in. The ocean's a playground, let the fun begin.